YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is whatever you are, be good one. 100 inspirational quotation, hand letter by Lisa Kongdong. This is the hardcover. A quote book like no other. This thought-provoking collection compiles the timeless wisdom of great original minds, from Marie Curie to Stephen King, Joan of Arc to Jack Kerouac, Oscar Wilde to Harriet Tubman. Brilliantly hand letter by beloved indie artist Lisa Kongdong. Reader will find enlightening insights. Wisdom begin in wonder. Socrates. Steering calls up to action. Leap and net will appear. John Burroughs. And stimulating encouragement. Be curious, not judgmental. Walt Whitman. Beautiful illuminate on every page. A delightful reminder to get out there and make the most of life. Whatever you are, be a good one. Is perfect for recent graduates, creative thinker, and anyone looking for a little inspiration. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Oh, so got two of them. Two books. Double unboxing, guys. Again and again. Okay? So about the author, artist and illustrator Lisa Kongdong is best known for her hand lettering, painting, drawings, and pattern design. She kept a daily blog about her life, work, and inspiration called Today is Going to Be Awesome. Lisa lives in Oakland, California with her partner, Chihuahua, and two cats. You can see more of her work at www.lisakongdon.com. So that's the price, $14.95 US. Let me check how much my wife paid for it. Let's see. It says two of them for $13.46. Hopefully that's correct. She has a Prime member, so we got this for that price, and it is free shipping. So I know the Prime is gonna go up in price, so I don't even know if that's any good saving anymore. Because sometimes I find like eBay is even cheaper than Amazon. So the best way is to compare before you go out there and purchase it, right? Anyway, hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and then be sure to hit that notification bell, so whenever I upload new and latest video, you guys could check them out instantly. All right, and this would be a great gift if any of your friends or family or classmate is graduating. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.